Hey YouTube friends, Julie here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is the Christmas DIY and Decor Challenge hosted by the DIY Mommy. So I am super excited to show you some DIYs that I have for Christmas this year, and they are simple. I love simple, which if you've been watching my channel for a while, you know all of my DIYs are pretty simple, quick, and inexpensive. So I'm so excited to share these DIYs with you. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and you want to hit the bell if you want to see more DIYs like this because I have more coming. I will have the playlist for the collab linked below and up here, as well as my other DIYs I have done. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you have a great day.
So for this DIY, I made a reindeer striped Christmas canvas picture and a sparkling candle holder. For this project, you're going to need a canvas. I used a 16 by 20. You will also need some type of painter's tape, a brush. I'm using a foam brush, some black craft paint, or any black paint that you have. I will be using this glitterific paint. You can use any kind of glitter that you can find at the store. They had several different colors. And I'm also going to be using this reindeer head that I got from Walmart for, I think it was like $5.74. But you could use a different one if you wanted. And some Gorilla Glue or any type of real... To begin the canvas project, I started measuring in 2-inch increments of where I wanted the stripes to be. So I would use the blue painter's tape to mark off the first 2 inches. Then I would leave the next 2 inches blank, then the next 2 inches with painter's tape, and so on. And then I would just paint the blank spots. originally bought this reindeer head. My plan was that I was going to remove all the embellishments off of it and paint the whole thing gold, so it would just be gold. But then, once I got it home and I looked at it against the black and white striped, I liked it the way it was. But you do need to remove the staples off the back so that you could take the twine from hanging it off of the key. So even though I decided not to paint the head gold, I did want to still use the gold glitter paint to... Now that the canvas is completely dry, I decided it was time to attach my reindeer head, and this is where the Gorilla Glue. So for this DIY, you're going to need any kind of glass jar. I used a mason jar. You're going to want to use your glitter paint, a foam brush, any type of Christmas greenery that you'd like. This one was from Joann's, and some kind of jute cord. So to start this DIY, I just very simply just paint this glitter paint all over the glass. Now I did do 2 coats, so you could see me here. While the glass jar was drying, I decided to take apart the greeneries. Now that the glass jar is completely dry and I've done 2 layers of the gold paint, I am going to get out the glue gun and I'm going to attach the jute cord, and I just